All right, good morning, everybody. It is about 7:45 in the morning. I am heading to the shop. Like I said, I am going to load up my trailer, head that to the scrapyard, and then dump both of my trailers because both of them are full from jobs. And we are going to prepare for the big clean out that we have tomorrow. Don't have much going on today because tomorrow's clean out is going to be tons of stuff, and I mean tons of stuff to sell. Not a single thing they have is junk. It's all good furniture. It's all nice stuff. So I am going to load up 2 full trailers of that shit. I'm going to bring it to my garage, into my shop, and I'm going to sell every bit of it. So let's go over to the shop. Let's pick up the trailer, do some scrap runs, dump the trailers, and prepare for tomorrow. Oh yeah, I forgot. So one more thing that we do have to do. I am actually turning around to go back to the house. I got to grab my trailer title because my trailer tag is expired by 10 months, okay? Because I bought it last summer and I never registered it for whatever reason, okay? So I'm gonna go back and I'm going to go register this because I got a registration ticket for $225 when I was coming back from that house fire cleanup that we did in Tennessee. So I am going to run back and grab that, and I'm gonna do all my tags today because I think the truck tag's expired. The trailer tag's expired. I have to find the title for the other trailer to register it. So it's going to be an interesting day, but it's basically just going to be me cleaning everything up. I got to get a new battery for the dump trailer. I got to take the trailer to the scrap yard. I got to dump both trailers. So we're basically just going to clean up and prepare and spend money today because tomorrow's going to be a great day. So just thought I'd throw that in there because I completely forgot that's what we have to do also. All right, so I got the title. Got the title to the trailer. So I am going to go run a scrap run first. I'm going to head to the scrap yard and dump my trailer. And then we're going to go get the title for this trailer, or go finally register this trailer. And then we're going to go to AutoZone. I got to buy a new battery for my black dump trailer. And then we're either going to finish running scrap or we're going to take both of those to the landfill and get them dumped and ready to go for tomorrow. All right, so we are at the scrap yard with a load. I'm gonna unload this. I got some pumps in the bed of my truck and motors. Those motors actually go for more money. So we're gonna take those up there and get that squared away. But right now I'm going to unload this. And just a PSA, it is loud here, so I'm sure the content is not going to be that good, but I'm going to unload this real quick. I'm going to go up there, unload the pump. I'm going to get a ticket, and I'm going to let you guys know how much money I make from this. Scrap money isn't that much money, but it's good to offset your expenses, so I'll see you guys at the office. All right, so scrap run, $64. Not too much, but you know what? It's better than nothing. So I am going to head back to the shop. We are going to drop this trailer off, go to the tag office, register my dump trailer, get the tag for this, so I gotta go get emissions, and get all that squared away before we go start dumping the trailer. So I'll see you guys at the house. All right, so I'm finally back. I put a brand new battery in the dump trailer. The other one was dead, tried to charge it, it was completely dead. So we're on it now, brand new battery. So that's $250 down the drain. So there goes that. I took the other load to the scrap yard, as you guys saw. Filled this one back up with the scrap that was surrounding. I had a fridge, dryer, and stuff like that. So that's done. So then I'm just gonna go dump this, put the rest of the little miscellaneous trash in it, and then I'm gonna go to the tag office. I'm gonna get the tags for the truck because it's expired, and I am going to get the title for this trailer. I already have the title. I'm gonna go finally register it and get my plate so I can stop getting tickets for expired registration. So that's what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna hook this trailer up. I'm gonna go to the landfill. We're gonna go dump, and hopefully we'll come back with a nice empty trailer and we'll be prepared for tomorrow. All right, so just got back from the landfill, dropped the trailer off after dumping it. Now I am going to get the emissions done on my truck so I can go to the tag office and renew the tags on all of my vehicles, and also get this trailer registered because it's I don't know, a year and a month too late. I'm a little overdue. And I'm tired of getting registration tickets. So I'm gonna go to the emissions center right now. We're gonna get emissions done. And then we're gonna go to the tag office. And then after that, I think we should be pretty much wrapped up for the day. I might have time to run to the scrapyard a second time. but I'm not sure. Like I said, all today has been is preparing for the big clean out tomorrow, which you guys will have a great video to look at and probably be appalled at how much, like literally all the junk is good. I've already toured the house. There's nothing in there that's actually junk. It's all resellable. So I'm pretty much just gonna fill my garage up and fill my shop up with stuff, and we're just gonna sell the stuff. So I'm gonna go get this done, and I'll see you guys at the emissions office. All right, so we are at the emissions. I'm gonna get this done, and then I'm gonna head to the tag office and finally get this shit taken care of. All right, so I am finally home from work. I got the tags on the truck, on the bikes, and registered my trailer. Got the new plate. It's actually in my truck. Let's see if we can see it. New plates in my truck. So got all that done. And then I came home and I had to onboard one of our students that we're coaching, because of course, I don't know if you guys know this, but I do coach people how to start making money with junk removal, build their company, build their brand, and so on and so forth. So we onboarded one of them. It is now about 8 o'clock at night. So I am going to finish up what I'm doing, get off my computer, and go to bed and prepare for tomorrow. We're gonna do a storage unit clean out, then we're gonna go do a house clean out, and then Sunday, we have a super big moving job that we're gonna do as well. So stay tuned for all that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Of course, per usual, if you like the video and you wanna see more stuff like this, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what kind of content you wanna see here. If you guys wanna see more on the job videos like I do on my Instagram, or if you want me to keep it like this, where I'm kind of instructing and telling you guys what's going on and kind of showing you what my day is like. So pretty interesting day today, nothing too crazy, but tomorrow we're gonna be super busy and all through the weekend until next week. Tuesday, we got a big business clean out, so we'll take care of that. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow, and have a good day. If you wanna join our junk removal free community, you can click the link in the description and you can join up that way. It's completely free to join. It's on school. So you can join in, you can network with others, you can advertise, you can post your wins, you can ask questions, and of course, most of all, you can learn from me and my other coaches on how to start making money with junk removal. So the link's in my description if you want to join. It's completely free, and hopefully I'll see you there.